Look, anybody ever went Trinidad for Carnival? What about Labor Day? What about Miami Carnival? Who we have more people here? We have more Trinidad or Guyanese? Where the Bajans? I seen one Grenadian. St. Lucia, Guyana. Where you from, brother? Haiti, Sac Massé. Anybody from Jamaica? How did I hear so? Yes, so. Get in on it. We are running here. Running here. Running here. When I say get on wild, get on wild. Get on good. Give on this. Jump, jump. Stop the waist. On est tired. On est tired. Breathe. 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 Take out all your phone now. Hold on, God. Put on your phone. Here we go. 1, 2. You got over there. Make a movie. I am not the movie. It's you I want to see. Take out your camera. Put on your flash. Bring in your nose. Then you know. 1, 2. Make up your face and from. Show them. Make up your face and make up your face. Show up and put your hand in the air. You. Touch your neck. You got over there. You. Ladies. Bend, bend, bend. Bend over. Yes. Yes. Oh my God. On the looking guys. Make it go fast. Make it go fast. Drop to the ground. Go down. Go down. Go in the sun. Go down. Oh Lord. Wet it up with the water. Somebody scream. Not supposed to be that, you know. But are you feeling happy? Anybody here happy? If you're happy to be alive, say yeah, yeah. Anybody got money in the pocket? Who got money in the pocket? Sing with me. You see me as a man, love to pay, love to what? I love to jump. In the sun, I always was in Jamaica. I don't want no time for no worries. I don't want no time for no chasing. I want to know what you come Jamaica to do. What you come Jamaica to do? Jump, jump, jump. Where? Oh yo, oh yo, oh yeah, oh yeah. In the water. Where the water was. Sing with me again. You see me. Hey, love to play. Guyanese. Chicken curry. Curry chicken. I always was a. Give me a little sleep. Don't If you come with your friend, put your hand in the air like this. If you're here with your friend, you're really wretched. I want you to sing it. Who you come here with? 1, 2, and here with this. If I got shit in the air, if you have money to spend, put your 2 hands in the air. Pop up. Stop winding up now! Where the real Machel fans? Where the real Machel fans? Don't care if I whine on you. I want you to start whining back. When the music starts, make sure you listen. Don't care if I whine on you. I want you to start whining back. When the music starts, make sure you listen. We are in a time this year. Every light, come rain or shine. No. Plenty people can't sing this, you know. Who can sing it all? Let's sing out. Turn it up. They call me Mr. Since I'm born, I never miss one yet. If sunshine in us, thunderstorm on us. They say Mr. And I say, I told them from Fetting is the name. We come in again. Every day, we full life. Give me the wine. Wine. Wine on you. Wine in back. These BRT girls, but they're looking sexy. Who can hear the sex sing? Getting in the name. Who party last night? Who here next weekend? Put your hand in the air and say, we don't play. You see BRT? BRT is epic. Say whoa. Look my fans there. All them singing everything. Fetting on the mind. I'm waiting. I want everybody to know we. I'm feeling the vibes. And what time is? Put your 2 hands in the air. 2 hands in the air. When my team coming down, like all behaviors. Like, where are they from? New York crew. Who not chicken none? Only from Brooklyn. Anybody from Queens? We come out to play and everything we doing. I want to know who drinking Hennessy. We don't drink that yet. Who drinking Johnny Walker? We don't drink that. In the Caribbean, what we drink? We drink R-U-M. What? Say rum. A bottle of. If you love your rum, put your hand in the air. No. A bottle of spoon and a big empty dance. I'll head that cause I'm in to John. Jump. You don't need to wind on me in the party. One thing I need inside that infect. I love the rum and the rum it loves me. My baby never cheats on me yet. Drinking. Are you tired? If you're not tired, say this. The vibes can't undone. You feel the RT? The vibes can't undone. Sing for me. Ladies, only ladies line up. Only ladies line up. Hello. 1, 2 ladies. 1, 2, 3. Oh, let's go down. Go down.